Walk up like this. Manood tayo, misbehave. Let's go! Ooh, backstories. Nice. Ate ko, pinakasalan mo siya knowing that. Like, and now you don't want it? So that's so frustrating. Kasi ang reason niya for leaving was that he can't live with this lifestyle anymore. But he knew going in na dermatologist siya and that she makes more money than him. And now, like, how old is Marla here? She's a teen. So, all that time, I bet... Oh, no, let's not assume things. Sorry. Nahype ako. You know what? I'm more mad at Cole now, knowing that they've known each other for so long. He knew everything that happened to her, and yet he did this. Like, oh my gosh, Cole. Ako lang ba nai-stress dito sa mga narration na to? Hindi ko magets. Single ka rin, te. Hindi ko gets yung mga jargon nila na bababa ka, baba ka. You're not 10, bro. Kadiri kayo, kadire. Oh my gosh. I hate Cole so much. No, I hate all of them. Te, the moment I saw him, I knew right away. Anong di mo kilala? Lester's the guy who beats up like, sino yun? Si Pearl, si Earl. Tapos nangunguha lang ng assignment. Like, that's the kind of guy he is. Sabi mo yan sabi mo yan, walang marupok. Tatadyakan ko kayo isa-isa. Very interesting yung the way they're shooting this. It would also work for theater, you know? Si Rain matangkad. Dali na, revenge na. Nahip na nga si Isobel, tsaka si April eh. Hype na ako eh. Buti lang nandito si Isabel to make sense of everything. Kasi nurubok nila eh. Seryoso, pa nga natatay nila Adolf. Seriously. Tapos ganito ugali niya. Ate ko, top 5 yun. Like, oh my God. Then what do you call the rest of us? Kaloka ka. Anong top mo? Anong top mo? Medyo intriguing yung sinabi ni April na they're not best friends, at least not anymore. So they used to be close. They're twins. So I wonder what happened. But she looks like she's done with him. Di sila kambal. Oh. Kapal ba ng tatay mo? Nangabit lang. Tapos kapal. Tapos kung baka magsalita siya rank-rank ha. Talaga ba? Ikaw si Desaline. Nakabuka ka. That's my girl. That's my girl. Probability queen. Pwede kaya siya pambardagulan. Sasabi ko sa inyo, malakas yan. Malakas si Desaline. That's my girl. That's my girl.
Lester and Migo. And Earl. Sama na natin siya.
Sama na natin siya. Bakit? Wala naman siya ginawa. Si Earl, wala naman. Di ba mabait si Earl? Binubuli pa nga siya ni Lester. Medyo subtle lang siya. Pero lagi actually nag-agree si Desaline tsaka si Isobel. I was telling my friend, like, I kinda ship them. They're so cute. Tigil niyo yan. Huwag kayong marupok. Parang awa niyo na. Me. So, bakit sila nawala sa ranking? Hindi naman bumaba ang grade nila. 5 days lang yun. Like, they were removed from the rank. Like, that doesn't make sense. Hello? Kilala ko to. Gano'n sila ka-close? Kasi parang hindi naman taga doon si Warren. I mean, taga... Ang tawag to? Klase nila. Pero but she's just spilling her heart out right now. Lo! The cringe. Di ko kaya. So is their plan like to get videos or photos of them showering tapos i-release nila? Because then it's gonna be obvious that they did it though. And it's on purpose na kinuha na nila yung video. So that's not good though. Hindi ka sure. Ang obvious kaya anong cars. Oh, this is so high school, I cannot. But they are in high school. Si Nix naglalaway. Ate ko. Pero they can't release that. Kasi it's different from their nudes leaking as opposed to this na on purpose nilang ginawa yun. So, like, yung nudes nila, it was leaked, but they sent it, like, on their own volition. Pero, mali talaga. Sarap, nakita ko na yan.
Go away.
Umalis. Hala, ipapalabas nila? I wonder what's gonna... Oh, shoot, they did. Oh my gosh. Naku, Lester, yari ka sa nanay mo. Ay, yung tatay mo, boy. He knows what happened. What the What? I'm gonna throw my phone at the TV, but I shouldn't be doing that. The heck? Ugh. Wala. Bad trip. So, it was nice seeing the girls together na yung 5 na sila and they were planning. That was cute and I really like them to be friends. Kasi, I mean, who else got each other's backs, diba? Sila backs. Pero sila na lang magtutulungan. So, that was great. And I love how every time na nagagather sila na ganun, kitang-kita mo yung personality ng bawat isa. And I'm really happy that Desalyn is finally coming out of her shell instead of yung bang nagpapanggap siya na she's something else. Yung bang lumalabas yung, ay nako, patumba ko yan sa mga tao dun sa amin. Ganyan. Tapos lagi siya nakabuka. Akala mo yun yung very canal behavior na kung ano talaga siya. And I'm so happy for her kasi siya yun eh. Like I said earlier too, sobrang gusto ko yung interactions nilang dalawa ni Isabel. I totally ship them. I call it Desabel. Pero ang cute lang ng energy nila na si Desalyn is more like, whoa, ganyan. Tapos si Isabel is like, kind of subdued, pero yung mga ideas rin sobrang weird. Tapos ang pala nito, si April. Si April. Tuwan-tuwa ko yung sabi niya na, baka daw kidnapin siya, tapos i-torture siya sa isang warehouse sa Bulacan. And I'm thinking, like, di ba ganun nga yung ini-imagine nila last time kapag kinuha nila si April? Ang dami kong sinabi, hindi pala naka-on yung record ko. Anyway, si Warren, kasi wala siya sa circle, so hindi ko rin sure kung gaano nila siya kakilala. He's so nice, but like, what if siya din yun? Tapos the way he looked at Marla dun sa dulo, parang, well, he knew what happened, kaya pinapaalis nila siya dun. Pero, I don't know. Also, I knew the plan was not gonna work because it was too naive and it had so much evidence against them kung magkataon. But I did not expect it to end this way, to really push na, oh my gosh, nothing's gonna happen because they're guys and we're girls and people are gonna glorify them, girls are gonna be wrong in this instance, especially if it's a sexual thing. It's really frustrating, but that's the world we live in. So we have to think of a different way. What if we actually put them in a room and kill them? Charot lang, justice be served. Anyway, that's all for me today. Bye-bye.